Good day everybody, Vic here for V-Drive. Hope you're doing amazing today. Today, bringing it to you one of my favorite all-wheel drive hatchbacks on the planet, as you can see. Just so you know, I'm not a big Toyota fan, especially Toyota Corolla fan. You know, I just feel like it's just not the car that I just like to drive. But ever since Toyota actually launched Toyota Corolla GR, which is the all-wheel drive version, I absolutely love it. Check this out. We are just popping the engine, popping the hood, opening up the engine here. Here it is. Here's a nice engine cover, as you can see. GR Turbo badge right there, and of course, blacked out cover with the red cosmetics on it. So, 3-cylinder, 1.6 turbocharged engine, right? 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. And if you will look at this whole engine compartment right here, here is your air filter. There is no battery. They actually place the battery all the way to the back of the vehicle, which is underneath the trunk for the better weight distribution. And some of you wondering, what is GR? It's actually Gazoo Racing, right? But that's what I would like to talk about. I'm really excited about this engine. I personally feel that, you know, they have done a really good job by launching this. So it's not a Toyota Supra, which is with the camouflage of BMW Z4. This is not Scion. This is pure Toyota. You have the nice LED lights at the front with the nighttime projector lamps, as you can see. And if you look at the front of the vehicle here, here's your nice fog lamps, which they are going away in the 2025. There's a nice GR badge right here and a blacked out grille that matches the red color combination as well. Of course, full functionality right here, so it can cool down your radiator, hence cool down your engine. And if you'll come right here, there is a nice vent on the side that sucks air when you're driving down the road. Not sucks air, but just let the air pass through, so it can cool down your brakes while driving. Comes with the blacked out 18 inches Toyota rims, and of course we have all-weather tires on top, you can see, and of course dual rotors for better heat dissipation and of course better braking as well. There is a nice grooving on top, that's what it's for. And of course red brake calipers with the GR stamped on it. There is a nice feel to it. Looks pretty neat. Of course, when I live in Edmonton, Alberta, I need all weather or all winter tires, which I have it right here, so I can have more fun. Now, coming down to the side, they place this blacked out vent right here with the GR badge. Now, I was actually thinking maybe there is some functionality to it, but it's not actually. It's just a vent, which is just right there. It's just more for the looks, matches your body color mirror caps, and that's pretty much it. This car was given to us by Wolf GMC Buicks, thanks to them. That's why you can see there is a pre-tint already on the vehicle. Has only 13,000 kilometers on it, and of course it's full sale, but the last customer put it on. I feel like he did a really good job. Blacked out windows, black right here, black mirror, that vent, and your wheels. Gives a really good look. Now, comes on the side right here with your wider body skirts with the GR4 written on it, which is their all-wheel drive version of the one that it has in this one. Of course, GR Yaris have that too in Europe, if you'll just search it up. And if you'll come to the side right here, there is a wide body kit that's installed to the back just to give a little bit of a beefier and the rally look to the vehicle that kind of enhance the masculinity of the car, in my opinion. And if you'll come to the back of the vehicle here, there is a nice blacked out wing that's placed right at the back here. Looks pretty neat. I personally feel that. I guess this look, this Corolla with this look actually beats the Veloster N, in my opinion, right? What are your opinion? Put a comment below and let me know. And at the back right here, it gives a very aggressive trunk look here with the blacked out lights, and of course your brake lamps, and of course your side signals here too. And there is a Corolla GR badge. And if you'll come down here, there is a blacked out plastic bumper. It's not really even a body match bumper here, but it's what it is with the camouflage of a rear diffuser. But I guess there is some sort of functionality to it. But let me know what are your thoughts on it. 3 exhausts at the back. Sounds really nice. If you'll just check it out in 3, 2, 1, here it is. Right, and I'm going to quickly open up the back of the vehicle here so I can show it to you. Decent amount of space right here. with the GR Corolla badge. And if I'm going to lift this up, you can see there is a lot of pocket space here. And lifting this up, you can see here is your battery. So it was missing from the front end. There are circuits if you need to jumpstart somebody's vehicle or jumpstart this, but you have it right here. And another thing I would like to mention, which kind of boggles my mind, there is no spare tire. Yes, you're right. There's no spare tire underneath. There is no spare tire under the vehicle. I just feel that it depends who you are and where you're going to be living and where you're going to be driving. You can maybe get away with it. But where I live in Edmonton has only 2 seasons. One is winters, another one is construction. So if I'm driving any time of the year, I'm not going to get away without getting a nail in my tire or bursting my tires. So that's something to think of. I don't know if that's a cost cutting or that's just the way the vehicle was designed, but it's something. But let me quickly show you one quick thing before I get in the interior. Here is the lightweight Toyota key. That's very lightweight. GR badge right here, key right here, lock and lock option. I don't know why Toyota did this. One thing I don't like and understand about Toyota, their keys are really light. Any other brand that you look at it, GMC, Toyota, Lexus, BMW, any other brand that you'll see, keys are really heavy. This is pretty cheaply made. But I guess Toyota will, and they should do something. But let's get into the interior of the vehicle. Here it is. My front seats are organized in a way that 6'2", which is me, can sit inside the vehicle. Now I'm going to try to get in the vehicle right here and take a look. Oh, it can be a little bit hard, but it's what it is. My knees are touching. All right, here we are inside. So cloth roof right here, as you can feel. And of course, my knees are touching right here. Again, my seats is all the way at the back. It's kind of understandable. It's a small hatchback. If you look inside right here, there is a DC port and there is a USB-C port inside, so I can charge my electronics if I'm sitting at the back. Now, fitting in 3 people at the back can be a challenge. If of my size, smaller kids, maybe that'd be easier. But if I pull this thing, I have the cup holders here, and if only 2 people are traveling, and of course, shorter people is driving, right? So that can be a thing. There are small speakers on the side, as you can see. And of course, right on top of that, there is a cup holder where I can throw my drink in if I wanted to. Now, let me just show you the front of the vehicle there. Check out the front seats now. Here it is. So if you look at the driver's seat, it is 6-way manually operated seat. You can see those linkages on the side. And if you look at the headrest of the seat right there, it has a GR sign in it. Very sharp looking bucket seats. And when you drive it, it really hugs you really tight. And if you look at the steering wheel, it's fully round with the GR badge on it. All the audio controls, your media controls are there along with the cruise control. And underneath, you have your sport pedal that you can see. Nice grip, so give you a nice feel what you're driving. And if you look at the door, there is a nice cloth here with the power windows and your power locks as well. So let's just get in the vehicle. All right, here we are inside the vehicle right here, as you can see. Right here you have the nice e-brake, handbrake, or you can call it, depends where you live. 6-speed transmission with the reverse, which you can do it by pulling this up and down like this. Nice GR badge there. And of course your drive mode selector, and comes with your heated seats with the 2 levels, low and high. And right underneath, in the very hideous spot, there is a USB-C port. I don't know why they place it the way it's placed, but it's what it is, right? There are 2 cup holders in the middle, very small one, and there is no armrest, but I guess that's just the way this vehicle is designed, right? Let me just quickly start this one. It sounds really nice. I really like the sound of it. There's a weird looking middle screen here that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is pretty cool, but I feel like they could have done a better job by blending the screen inside the dash, or maybe making it a little bit round. It's very squarish looking. And if you look at the overall dash, there's a nice leather all around, and there's a black dot stitching right here. Having a red stitching would be really cool in my opinion. And if you look down below right here, there is your GR4 all-wheel drive control, where you can do the proper weight distribution, front to rear, rear to front. And of course, if you push it, that's your track mode. Now, if you'll take a look at my screen right there, I would like to show it to you. It says GR 4 60/40. And if I press the button in, it says track mode. But if I just turn it to the side, it says 30-70. So 30% to the front, 70 to the back, and of course 60-40 for 60 front, 40 back. And if you look at that, my accelerator sign is like that, my brake sign is this. Since my steering wheel is turned to the right, my right side animation is on. If I'll just turn it towards my left, and it's gonna turn on my left side animation. Hope you're able to see it properly. I'm gonna quickly shift my drive mode so you can see how it looks. Every drive mode has a different looking RPM sign, as you can see, right? Looks pretty sick. But yeah, that's what we have right here. Let's get into the drive real quick so I can show it to you how it behaves on the highway, and we can show off some power there. Thank you. All right, so here we are just driving off with the Toyota GR Corolla there. Here it is. We are currently in the GR4 mode, but I'm gonna get into 30-70 so just so I can have more fun. Nice response to the quick acceleration that I'm giving. Right, let's just quickly do a quick drag here. Oh wow, it feels great. 300 horsepower. Wow. Oh my God, it feels great. Wow, I just hit like 100 kilometers an hour, like so easily. And that was, I guess I was in my third gear or something. Yeah, it was third gear, third or fourth gear. Wow, it feels pretty good actually. Wow. I actually never thought 3-cylinder engine can be that fast, but I guess that's just the new thing. There are going to be more and more 3 cylinders coming up in the next near future now, until they completely stop because of EVs. If you guys like the video so far, and if you have watched it this far, please drop a comment below and let me know how you feel about this vehicle. And if there's any other vehicle that you would like for me to review, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel.
The sport mode or something.
Huh? I'm also gonna add it into the sports mode. So that is a nice animation, a nice tune. It feels really nice every time the gear engages. Look, check this out. Third gear right now, fourth gear right now. Let's go. All right, we are on a highway right now. Let's just see how it handles. It goes on a higher gears. The stability is amazing. I'm impressed actually. Especially with the all-wheel drive version. Oh wow. Definitely you feel confident even when braking at a higher speed. It's stable. It's not that noisy. That's another thing. It can definitely be a nice daily driver. Depends who you are. Depends where you live.